Open this thing up. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay, so here is the actual device itself. Okay, it's pretty compact na, no? Para lang siyang size ng credit card. Okay, so yan siya. Then the battery is here. This is the 3000 milliamps of battery. Okay, D-Link branded, and may brand din siya. Okay. Then what else? And of course, it comes with a charging cable, and it's already supports Type-C kasi Type-C na yung charging port nitong ating device. And what else? And of course, the quick installation guide.